Don't be scared. You're test subject 1968. You have been chosen to test the new Blues Hog barbecue sauces at Valu.
Now that you mention it, I am a little hungry. Oh, that is gonna be mustard for sure. That smells amazing. Honey mustard on the nose. That's delicious. Ooh, it's like molasses. It could possibly be original. Ooh, some tanginess at the end there. I'm gonna come back to you. These are like thick. That could be Tennessee Red. Let's see. All right, what do we got next here? Well, now I'm thinking that could be one of them Smoky Mountain. I'm assuming there's got to be some smoke flavor to that. Oh, this is like liquidy. This has got to be like a vinegar base. I'm gonna lean Champs Blend because that's the one I know least about. Because what does Champs Blend mean to you, Blues Hog? What if I just keep eating these and never actually deliver a verdict? Maybe I could just continue to have barbecue sauce for the rest of my days. That really, I feel like that seems original to me. Let's lock an original, please. This is Nashville to its core. Country music, boots up. God, that's good. I'm getting a Smoky Mountain vibe. I'm gonna lock it in. Let's do this. What's my final score here?
1 out of 5.
Okay. That's passing grade, right? That's gotta count for something.
No.
Yeah! I guess I don't know what original tastes like. How am I supposed to know this? That was really good though. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. Can I get some more saltines, please? Woo! I love Blues Hog. What else can I say? Blues Hog, baby.